Say you don't wanna be with me, but you miss me as soon as it's over.
Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. In this video, I'm so thrilled because I will be collaborating with this jewelry company. They reached out to me, so I will be doing unboxing and review of the 3 items that they sent me. I'm so happy because I love jewelry myself. Anyway, they specializes in Moissanite jewelry. Moissanite is a gemstone born from the stars. It's a high quality moissanite which brings you the same amount of brilliance and fire as the diamonds. Moissanite gives more sparkles and less budget. So this is high quality and affordable. It's a better made, the value, the durability, and also it's eco-friendly. It's inspired by this lady, Alisa. Alisa decided to create her own jewelry brand so that more people could enjoy the beauty of the jewelry. And she named her brand Read Your Heart. I really like that name, Read Your Heart. And the brand slogan is Read Your Heart, Record Your Memories. They have wide variety of rings, necklaces, earrings, and bracelets to choose from their website. So if you're interested, you can check their website. And also, I do have a coupon code. It's right here. Everything that I mentioned in this video, guys, the coupon and also the link to the items, it will be down in the description box. If you're interested, check that out. And if you're watching this video and new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new upload videos. I'm so excited, yes. And now I have this package right here. I got this 2-3 days ago and the shipping is quick too. Yes, that's a plus. But anyway, open this package and show you guys what's inside. I know I'm really excited because it's jewelry. I love jewelry, and I mean, I love everything too, but jewelry is, yes. Here it is. Let's open the package. A lot of stuff in here. I'll get this one first. I'm gonna take this out in the Ziploc bag. You can give this to your friends and family, like for any occasions, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, or anything. And also, you know, for yourself. And I know all the ladies out there, or the one that really likes jewelry, better check this out, guys. This one is a gift bag. It's too bright. Anyway, that one, it says Read Your Heart. And I really like this gift bag. It's so sturdy and fancy. You can put the jewelry inside in this bag, and you know, you can give this to your loved ones, especially like there's occasions or anything. So yes, that's that. The next one is this. It's a GRA Moissanite, and also they have a card in here. It tells you everything about the jewelry. And that one too. And it's just the same thing. I have 2 of that jewelry envelope. The next one is this. It's a jewelry cloth. Like you have to wipe your jewelry, you know, once in a while. I really like it because they sent you a jewelry cloth too. And it's like that. It's pretty neat. Here in the bottom it says Read Your Heart. It's a sterling polish cloth. The next is this, like a brochure. Read Your Heart and Record Your Memory. There. And what else is in here? They really package it very well, so it won't ruin the package. That is very nice of them to do that. I have 3 jewelry right here. There it is. Ooh, this is so neat. I really like their packaging. It's really fancy, very nice, beautiful. It says read your heart. So let's open this one. Ooh, look at that. This one is the ring. Like when you're done using your ring, you just have to put it in here. I really like the way they put this in here. This plastic, the clear plastic, it is thick too. This one is size 6. I wear size 6 on the ring. Hold on a second, I have to look it up on here. The ring size. This ring is a Moissanite series fashion 6-prong sterling silver ring. This one is silver and the other one is gold. I'm going to try this if it fits me. I wear size 6 and hopefully it fits. Oh, it's a little bit tight. But I know I wear size 6, but I don't want it too big because it might fall. I mean, I don't mind that, but I'm going to take this and I'm gonna take my ring out. I'll put it right here because it's been like used to being here all the time. I really love it. On this side, it's a little bit tight, but I don't mind that because who knows later on. My wedding ring, and this is the other ring over here. They have different sizes of the carat. They have 1 carat, 2 and 3 carat. I got the small one, the 1 carat, because I really like it, like simple and not too big. It's cute. It looks elegant. I'm so excited to wear it. I'm just gonna wear this. Aside from the sizes of the carat, they also have like different sizes of the ring size. I have the size 6 and it goes up, and I don't know what size you guys are wearing, so but mine is size 6. I like this one. The next jewelry that I'm going to show you is this. Oh, yes. It's a necklace. I picked the necklace. You know, I got a chance to pick the jewelry I like. It's a round moissanite heart-shaped sterling silver necklace. I really like the style of this necklace too, and there's a stone inside in the middle and it's a heart shape. I'm gonna try this one. The only thing is I'm having trouble putting it on. And I really like it. The chain is not long. It's just about right for my liking. My earrings is silver and this one is silver, and also the ring is silver. Really do like it. I love it. Yeah, so you can match, you know, like if you have a sterling silver necklace, so it would be better that it matches everything. Like this one right now, it matches. The last jewelry that I'm going to show you is this right here. They have free shipping. They have a 30 days free returns. You can't beat that. Like if you don't like the jewelry, you can just return it within 30 days. This, oh, look at that. And let's open this. This, it's a bracelet. This is a classic shining tennis bracelet. There's 2 sizes of the chain. I got the 6.7 and also the other one is 7 inches, and hopefully this one will fit just right. Oh, it's just right. It's just perfect. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Now I got the necklace, the bracelet, and also the ring. You know, it's a high quality and affordable jewelry, and they also customize jewelry too. Yes guys, if you're interested, you can just leave the comment down below, and Thank you, Read Your Heart, for sending this jewelry. And I hope you enjoy this video, so give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.